This is the National Institute for Pharmaceutical Research and Development, NIPRD, in Abuja. It is essentially the only government research institution for the advancement of phytomedicines in the country. Channels Television has this exclusive access to the facility. As head of consultancy services at the Institute, Professor Henry Omoregie takes the crew round to see the potential locked in here.
Okay, no, I'm already done.
Let me check SARS-CoV-2. Not a pathogen. That's why I need the more simple.
NIPRD, an institution with several international certifications and 10 resident professors, besides visiting professors and research fellows, can now be described as a sleeping giant at a time when the country needs its services most. From the medicinal plant garden to the laboratory, where extractions are made for further analysis, we find an institution with huge potential but struggling to survive. Officials say funding is a major challenge.
Most of the time when people talk of hear of NIPRD, what comes to their mind is sickle cell. And that is because that is the project that has gone the furthest in terms of being a concrete contribution. Funding has been a big disappointment.
The year I was appointed in 2018, my capital release was less than $500,000. That's about 250 million. With my engagement with the National Assembly and the presidency, that has increased more than twofold. On the government side, there has been some improvement. There should be more, and we're hoping that the engagement will lead to more from the government side. But from the private sector, development sector, foundations and philanthropists, it has been almost zero.
This advanced biology and chemistry laboratory was built and equipped by the United Nations in 2007 after seeing some breakthroughs made by the institution in developing anticycline medicine and other remedies currently in the market for the management of tuberculosis and malaria. The agency says it has made over 20 more discoveries since then, including one that could be used for the management of COVID-19. But government's routine budgeting alone is not enough to push these discoveries beyond their shelves.
We have researched and developed several phytomedicines used in malaria, used in diabetics, used in TB, and other ailments, even in HIV management. But unfortunately, we can only go to the extent which fund the low level of funding could allow us.
Based on the same work that was done in the laboratories you went to downstairs, by the experts you met downstairs, we used our artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to predict that this particular drug, or rather this particular phytomedicine, could have activity against COVID-19. When we didn't get the funding and we slowed down on pushing this to the next level, which is clinical trials, colleagues in Thailand who have funding have moved forward and overtaken us, and currently a tea made from the same Andrographis paniculata is being used to manage COVID-19 in Thailand.
Professor Emeje Martins is the director, Nanomedicine Center here. He was able to put up the nanomedicine laboratory last year with his team after securing a grant from foreign partners.
Even though it's just about 3 months old, we have already produced a nano product from this lab, which we are already sending to NAFDAC. So it's going to change the face of research and development, not just in NIPRD, not just in Nigeria, in Africa.
Countries such as China, Malaysia and Thailand are well advanced in phytomedicine research and development. Experts say Nigeria has the potential to be listed among these countries if the government and corporate organizations prioritize investment in research and development of phytomedicine.
Thank you for watching. For regular updates in health sector and primary research and development, click on the subscribe button right now. Remember to like and share as well.